right, so you guys probably, that's actually a good angle, you can see this. So what we're gonna do is we got the DJI quad over there, and we've had a lot of talk about smoking DJI batteries on the FPV drone. Is it capable of doing it? So what we're going to do today is, we know that sport mode regulates you. When you give it too much power burst, it'll actually drop you back and slow you down until it recovers and then let you go. The question is acro going to do the same thing? So we don't know. So Clinton has made the executive decision here for himself to push this quad hard, and you're ready with a broken arm, electrical taped on. So this is the
full send, the
right
whole pack, the whole pack.
The whole pack. We're just gonna go full send and see if it stops him or if it smokes the battery and just drops. You down?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna try to show you guys the visuals here without all the. Yep, I'm good. Let's see what happens here.
So I gotta take off first.
So yeah, once he takes off, there you go. And he's just gonna go full send the entire time.
Weird, I gotta like really pitch just to get lower. 88%.
I'm actually very impressed right now.
84. I haven't let off the throttle. I see the walking out in the field. Well, I realize I haven't hit record, so if you want to record, you gotta reach and hit my goggles.
That's hard because I'm holding that, yeah.
But I'm not getting this on my...
Right. I hear it drawing. Is that you coming out of the throttle? Yeah.
Nope, I did not let up on throttle. I'm doing the field thing like you said, it's a lot easier.
Yep.
Because it was like really unruly.
Right. That is with an electrical take arm.
I've never driven a quad full tilt like this.
I can't believe it's taking it.
I'm literally having to pitch super forward just to get down.
Yeah?
Like to not get too much altitude. So I'm like pitching almost 90 degrees to the ground just to to lose altitude.
To maintain.
38%.
Yeah.
That dropped pretty quick. 36, 35. 34, 33, 32. I'll stop calling until it gets to like 20.
Right.
Ooh. I hit the ground, but then I back up. I literally just popped off the ground.
Was that a battery sag? Or?
No, it was just I got too close to the ground.
Pilot error.
Pilot error.
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds.
I'm gonna let it do it.
Are you?
Well, I can't actually. If it forces me to return to home, it's gonna kick me out.
It's going to. 2 seconds, it's gonna engage. And it should happen about now. Oh, it went past its 10-second mark.
Critical low battery landing. I got it slid off. It's gonna land automatically. So I slid off. I gotta go get it out of the field. Hold on.
No, you're not even that far. You're right next to us.
Yeah, so I let off just because it was gonna start forced landing and I didn't want it to land in a bad
Right.
spot.
So when this thing first came out, it was possible to smoke a battery. It doesn't appear to be the case now.
2%.
You landed on 2%?
2%.
And you went full send.
Tilt, pretty much, and even hitting the ground. I didn't let up. Even when I hit the ground.
So there you go.
I wish I would have that footage. I didn't hit record on my camera.
Apparently it is not possible to smoke the battery anymore. I'm not saying it can't. There might be some, you know.
Dang. Let me see how hot it is though.
That's crazy. Yeah, let's do a motor check here. And?
I can hold it for a decent. I mean, they're warm.
Oh.
They're a little warm. Yeah, they're a little warm.
He said they're a little warm.
They're not instant burn.
They're not instant, but you can hold it like 1, 2, 3, I'm done kind of thing.
Oh yeah.
Oh, Dan's got a little more tolerance.
Yeah, they're not
they're not mission critical.
All right, let's shut this down and see the battery temperature though. That's the other thing.
Dan has a bit more tolerance. Yeah, dude, my hands have been through a lot. And?
Not much warmer than a usual pack, actually.
That's crazy.
Yeah. Dude, I wish I would have got the footage of me. I was, and all of a sudden it was like, boom! And then I like,
I was like, what the hell are
I
you
hit
doing?
the ground, dude.
I hope that answers you guys' question. You can thank, and that electrical tape arm is something else.
Electrical tape arm still.
That is something else that's still holding. Dude, you were just going full send on that sucker.
So how long was that?
That's
I
crazy.
didn't time it. We're going to have to look
Yeah,
back
we'll
at
have to look back at the footy and see what
because
happened.
I did take off and
that
then it was a lot shorter, of course.
Yeah.
7 minutes, 6 minutes.
I don't even think that.
Yeah.
That might have been like 5.5 maybe.
So challenge accepted and completed. There we go. Did it.
That happened.
There you go.
I've only been recording for 5 minutes and 47 seconds. So I think that pack actually was just about a regular FPV pack, honestly, because we had a good talk ahead of time. Maybe it was only 3.5 minutes.
That's what it is. I mean,
I was sitting there and it was like full tilt and I was like, "Ee!" And I had to pitch
When
down
you
and look
first
at the
took off.
ground just to kind of.
me and him freaked. We were like, what the? Because we were looking at wasps, dude. You know what I mean?
It was from like 0 to 100 real quick.
Yep.
I just got up. As soon as it told me manual mode, I was like, "Whee!"
Yeah, I was like, oh, he is going full
And I was
send.
like,
Oh, no.
Well, there you go, guys. That answers your question. Boom.
Hey, Doc, we better back up. We don't have enough road to get up to 88.
Roads? Where we're going, we don't need roads.